In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find folder called Google, which is this one that's already on your OPPO. After you tap on it, select Files app, and then click on those three lines at the top left corner. Finally, select Clean. Tap on Clean under Junk Files, and lastly, hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!